Hi everyone, I'm just going to give you a video of this Vax Airlift 2 pet upright vacuum. Before I use the vacuum itself, I'm just going to walk you around the room just to show you the carpet. This is a thick pile carpet. I just want to show you as it is and looks clean. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hoover it with the Vax just to see how much sort of it picks up. So just going to walk around to show you the carpet. I'll go over near the door as well, because that's where most obviously the dirt gets trapped in the carpet. So as you can see, there's no debris on the floor at all. It all looks very clean. This was hoovered yesterday with an alternative hoover, so interesting to see how the Vax is going to be picking up. So what I'm going to do now is I'll get the Vax in and over the carpet and see how much it picks up. I'm just doing the normal vacuum. And what I'll do next is I'll turn the brush agitator on with a little button on the side so it'll beat the carpet. Accessory heads you get with it. You got your upholstery head, you got your turbo head, and then you got your 2-in-1, which is your crevice nozzle and your brush head. Basically it just slots down, push the button, nice and easy. So let's have a look to see how the hoover comes apart, and I'll show you how much also it's picked up as well. Two buttons, the front button just releases the actual collection chamber, and as you can see how much it's collected. It's quite amazing really. I thought the carpet would look extremely clean anyway, so just shows you how much it picks up and how strong this hoover is. So what I'll do is I'll show you how the actual main unit comes off for hoovering the stairs and for the vehicle as well. Just push the back bit, it just releases off nice and easy. Then you've got your vacuum here, which has got a little release button that comes off. In the written review I'll let you know the length of the actual hose and also the length of the power cable for the hoover as well. So I hope you found this helpful.